Hi kids! Today, we're going to learn about countries and cities that start with the letter K. Countries starting with K. 1. Kenya. Kenya is famous for its wildlife safaris and the Great Rift Valley. 2. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is the largest landlocked country in the world, known for its vast steppes. 3. Kuwait. Kuwait is a small but wealthy country in the Middle East, known for its oil reserves. 4. Kiribati. Kiribati is a Pacific island nation known for its stunning coral reefs and atolls. 5. Kosovo. Kosovo is a small country in Europe, known for its rich cultural history. Cities starting with K. 1. Kathmandu. Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal. Famous for its temples and cultural heritage. 2. Karachi. Karachi is one of Pakistan's largest cities, known for its bustling markets and port. 3. Kyoto. Kyoto is a historic city in Japan, famous for its temples and traditional tea ceremonies. 4. Kigali. Kigali is the capital city of Rwanda, known for its cleanliness and greenery. 5. Kingston. Kingston is the capital city of Jamaica, known as the birthplace of reggae music. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check the description for more videos.